In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create this kind of stickers in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, I will create its rounder shape, bottom round shape with the ellipse tool. Make a copy of it with the Alt key, pressing and holding the Alt key, and make it a little bit smaller. Select both of these shapes and unite them from Pathfinder. Now I will go to the direct selection tool, make this point, select this point and this point, and then just drag them to make them round. I will select this color. With the help of eyedropper tool, I will select this color, and now I will make a shadow, this shadow. With the pencil tool, I will go I will go to the pencil tool from here, or just press N on my keyboard to select pencil tool, and then just create shadow. Make sure that it overlaps perfectly. And now I will select this color with the eyedropper tool, and then select both of these shapes. Go to the shape builder tool, press and hold the Alt key, and when you see the minus key, I will just click here to delete it. Now I will create this shape with the pencil tool, and I will select this color. For right now I don't need stroke, but I will adjust this shape a little bit, so I will just delete the stroke. Now I will create this leaf with the pencil tool. Select the color green color with the eyedropper tool. Now I will create this highlight, this smile and these eyes with the blob brush tool. So just go to blob brush tool from the tool panel, and then just select the black color for the eyes and smile and white color for the highlight. I will create this again because I think it's not perfect, not looking good. Now I will give stroke to it. I will select this shape and this shape and give stroke of 7 points. Now here is a problem that this shape is covering a little bit of this stroke, so I will just select this shape, go to object and expand and press OK, and then I will ungroup it by selecting this shape again and right click and ungroup. Now I will select this shape and press Ctrl and open bracket to send it back. Now I will create this shape that is at the bottom, so I will select all of this again. I will go to object and expand and press OK. Now I will press Ctrl plus G to make it in one group. As you can see, it is in one group, and I will press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus B to make a copy of it, but the copy will be at the bottom of this whole shape. So as you can see, here are two copies. So I will select the bottom copy and go to properties, and from the pathfinder I will click unite. So as you can see, this is the shape that we have created at the bottom. And now what I will do is I will go to the layers panel again and select this black shape and change its fill to white. Give it a little 1 point stroke, and then go to effect, path and offset path. You can also go to offset path from here if it is showing from quick actions. And now I will give it offset path of 13 points, and from here you can choose meter or round depending on your preferences, and press OK. So this is how you can create stickers in Adobe Illustrator. I will just select this shape again and press Ctrl Shift G to ungroup it. I just want to make its smile a little bit bigger. Actually, I will create this smile again. I'm still not satisfied with this smile. I'll go to blob brush tool again. So I think that's it. That's how you can create stickers in Adobe Illustrator. Now you have to export it, and if you know that it will be print out, so you have to select the CMYK colors. Unless the printer asks for RGB, you have to select the CMYK. So I will go to export and export as, and I will select PNG and use artboard and export. From here, interlaced should be unchecked, and you can choose either art optimized, and if it is any kind of type in it, you can choose type optimized, but I will choose art optimized for now. And from here you can choose high resolution and press OK. Now it is ready for printing. So that's how you can create stickers in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and you have learned how you can create stickers in Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.